Yeah, hi guys. Let's see the welcome kit from the company. Okay, so this is a welcome kit provided by the company after first day of joining from a COVID vacation. This is a pen. This is a diary, matte finishing diary. Good looking. Okay, yeah, it's very good quality. Then a bottle, a steel bottle, very good steel bottle. 1 liter steel bottle. Yeah, very good. A mug, a cap, blue cap. Yeah, good cap. A mug, a tea mug. You can use a coffee for that. This is the stickers. One carry bag to carry all your small stuffs like market and all. Yeah, so this is the welcome kit. Thanks for watching. You must like, subscribe, and comment for this welcome kit. I like the quality of the welcome kit and all the stuff which items provided in the welcome kit. Good quality. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.